Falls is the largest waterfall in the world. It is twice the height of North America's Niagara Falls. The falls are full from February to May, with April being the peak due to the flooding of the Zambezi River. During the flooding season, however, it is impossible to see the foot of the falls and most of its face, and the walks along the cliff opposite it are in constant shower and shrouded in mist. Your trip to Victoria Falls can never be complete without actually visiting the falls. This city is called Victoria Falls because of the falls. Where are you gonna go?
Hello guys, good afternoon, welcome to Mosi, Tunya, welcome to Victoria Falls.
Hi good people, welcome to Victoria Falls, locally known as Mosi Tunya, which means smoke that thunders. I'm so excited. You know, this is one of the wonders of the world. One of the seven, I think there are 7 wonders. Yeah, this is one of the 7 wonders of the world. And now this is the second one I'm visiting in my life. So bucket list, tick. So come with me and let's visit Mosi Tunya. Let's experience that smoke that thunders. I'm so excited. Come with me. Yeah. Thank you. It's my receipt and the balance. Mosi Tunya is thundering. Kavango Zambezi Transfrontier Conservation Area, which includes Angola, Botswana, Namibia, Zambia, Zimbabwe. CAZA is very important. It is a conservation program by the 5 countries, and in case you're visiting these regions, one of the easiest ways to visit is to get a CAZA visa that can allow you to visit all the 5 countries. To Livingstone Statue. So you're gonna see the Livingston Statue. Woohoo! Woohoo! In 1855, David Livingstone, a British explorer, was the first European to witness the majestic Mosi Tunya. He named it Victoria Falls in honor of Queen Victoria of England. In his words, he said, "No one can imagine the beauty of the view from anything witnessed in England." Wow. It reads, "This monument was erected to the memory of the distinguished countryman through the united efforts of the Caledonian societies in the United Union of South Africa and the Rhodesians affiliated to the Federated Caledonian Society of South Africa." Okay, Mosi Tunya. Here are the falls. Victoria Falls is part of the Zambezi River, which is the 4th largest river in Africa, spanning across 6 countries. The falls are about 1.7 kilometers in length and 108 meters high. There are 19 viewpoints. 1 to 15 are in the Zimbabwean side, while 16 to 19 are on the Zambian side. Buckle up as I take you on a viewing adventure from different viewpoints. Oh, so this is one of the viewpoints?
Yeah, exactly.
So another viewpoint. Did you know that you can view the falls from 2 different countries? Well, 75% of the falls can be seen from the Zimbabwean side, while the remaining 25% is visible from the Zambian side. Now you know. Devil's Cataract. Zambezi, it's raining on me. Another fact about these falls is that 500 million liters of water cascade every minute. The numbers almost seem too impossible to imagine. That is the equivalent of 200 Olympic-sized swimming pools, just to put things into perspective. There we go. Hi! Hi, Zambia! Did you know that the falls create moonbows? Well, a rainbow is different from a moonbow. A rainbow is beautiful. A moonbow is a special and unique phenomenon which only occurs in 2 places around the world, with Victoria Falls being one of them. Could you guess which other place experienced this? This is very, very, very beautiful. Konjo, betam konjo. Falls are found in 2 national parks, Tunya National Park in Zambia and Victoria Falls National Park in Zimbabwe. You will be entering into the natural habitat of an abundance of animals. It is important that you don't go off the marked trails. Did you know that it rains at Victoria Falls Rainforest all day? On the Zimbabwe side of the falls, you will find the Victoria Falls Rainforest, which is the only place on earth to see rain every single day of the year. The rains blessed the area with lush greenery in the forest. Water levels of the Zambezi rise and drop so dramatically throughout the year. It is at its lowest water level in October, November, and early December. Some sections of the falls dry up. Contrary to some speculations, the falls will never dry up completely. In fact, you can have the view of the rock formation of the falls during this time. But you can be guaranteed to always witness this wonder of the world no matter what time of the year you visit. I must admit that some of the most breathtaking sunsets I've seen in my life were here in Zimbabwe. And the one at the falls, oh my goodness, it's just special. Make sure you experience this and you can thank me later. And the last part of this adventure is at this bridge. So to my left, that is Zambia, and we are in Zimbabwe. So you should note that when you're thinking about the Victoria Falls, water actually falls from the Zambia side to Zimbabwe. So thank you so much for watching this amazing episode. I hope you truly enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the like button, share and subscribe, and check out
Mr. Zim
and
Rutsoka.
all right, this is the fun team here in Victoria Falls, and if you've not been to Victoria Falls, man, I can say now I have lived. And until next time, Sarai Zakanaka.